Novus International's first 20 years have been a remarkable journey. Here are some notable milestones that help define who Novus is today and who Novus will be in the future. Novus International Incorporated was founded in 1991, but their scientific roots and history originated earlier. In the 1950s, St. Louis, Missouri-based Monsanto Company began conducting livestock and poultry feed metabolism studies. These metabolism studies produced the product MHA feed supplement. In 1959, Santaquin feed preservative received FDA approval as an animal feed additive, which helped launch the Monsanto division that would become Novus. It was an innovative idea that would really make MHA flood the market. Liquid MHA. From rearranging Scrabble tiles, they came up with the name Alamet. Alamet feed supplement is introduced in 1979, and its first customer is ConAgra Foods in El Dorado, Arkansas. Monsanto announces that it is investing in the future of their new liquid methionine product, Alamet, by building the world's largest liquid methionine plant at Chocolate Bayou in Texas. The results are product improvements, manufacturing efficiencies, and the plant starts production ahead of schedule and under budget. In 1991, in an effort to focus on its core businesses, seed, herbicide, and biotechnology, Monsanto sold its feed ingredients division to Mitsui & Company Limited and Nippon Soda Company Limited. The new owners could see Novus's strategic potential for growth. Hundreds of names for the new company were submitted by a public relations firm and by employees. A committee narrowed it down to Novus, a suggestion which came from Dr. David Calabata, who refers to seeing it on every $1 bill in the Latin phrase for New Order of the Ages. Novus opens with 3 regional headquarters in Mexico City, Mexico, Brussels, Belgium, and Singapore, 7 major sales offices in Caracas, Venezuela, London, England, Nantes, France, Madrid, Spain, Buenos Aires, Argentina, Porto Alegre, Brazil, and Milano, Italy, a manufacturing plant located in Chocolate Bayou, Texas, and the headquarters in St. Louis, Missouri. The new owners gave senior management a free hand to transform a small division of a traditional chemical company into a dynamic engine that could generate a continuous stream of innovation and industry-leading solutions. Novus senior managers began applying requisite organization principles as they created the Novus Management System. Within this framework, all employees are empowered to contribute the creativity, skills, and knowledge needed to sustain the innovation that gives the company its competitive edge. Within the first year, Novus put into place its corporate vision to help feed the world affordable, wholesome food. Novus's exciting new research center is completed and occupied in Missouri Research Park, located in St. Charles, Missouri. In 1993, Novus pioneers a system that measures the customer's supply of Alamet and Santaquin and automatically replenishes them as they're needed. The system improves supply chain efficiency and reduces environmental impact for Novus customers. They didn't call it sustainability back then, it was just good forward thinking. The Chocolate Bayou plant capacity expands to 181,000 metric tons. That's almost 40 times growth for Alamet production in 10 years. Novus expands in South America, opening a new major sales office in Bogotá, Colombia. Novus surpasses 200 employees. Oasis is the first product developed under the new Novus management, specifically designed to support the development and growth of young hatchlings. In 1998, the board approved and adopted the Novus Integrity System. These written policies ensure that all employees understand that good ethics and good business are synonymous when viewed from moral, legal, and practical standpoints. Novus opens a new major sales office in Warsaw, Poland. Chocolate Bayou Alamet plant expands again to meet demand. Idea Assay is a proprietary process Novus created to quickly and accurately allow users to determine the protein amino acid digestibility of feed ingredients like soybean meal, poultry and feather meal, fish meal, meat and bone meal, and dried distillers' grain solubles. Novus develops a breakthrough poultry vaccine, Advent, that protects against one of the greatest threats to poultry, coccidiosis. Novus adds a manufacturing and research facility in Lincoln, Nebraska to develop the Advent product. In 2002, Novus opens a new research office in Beijing, China, and a new regional headquarters in Shanghai, China. Novus finds a research and business partner who shares many of Novus's goals and vision. Spanish research and veterinary pharmaceutical company IQF enters into a valuable alliance with Novus in Europe. Novus opens two major sales offices in Australia, located in Melbourne and Sydney. Novus acquires Santaquin and Agrado feed preservatives from Solutia. Santaquin feed preservatives provide unsurpassed protection from oxidative rancidity and prolong nutritional shelf life in complete feed. Agrado is a feed preservative with applications in dairy, beef, and swine. Novus introduces Activate nutritional feed acid, which is a blend of gut environment modifiers including methionine activity. Pork and poultry producers use Activate as an important component of salmonella reduction programs, in vaccination-free and withdrawal diets, as well as an aid in increasing feed intake. Novus acquires Wolfgang Rodel Company and its Acetamix line, which complements the Activate nutritional feed acid blends. This acquisition reinforces the focus on organic acid blends and feed preservatives, further advancing the long-term strategy of providing value to our customers through science. With this acquisition, Novus acquires another manufacturing plant in Gudensburg, Germany. Mintrex was launched as Novus's chelated mineral supplement technology. Mintrex chelated trace minerals combine HMTBA with an essential trace mineral in a 2-to-1 chelated molecule. The result is a greater bioavailability, digestive tract stability, and a residual methionine effect that can reduce the required level of supplemental methionine per ton of feed. Novus International Incorporated and Arkema start up an MMP manufacturing plant in Beaumont, Texas. MMP is one of the key intermediates used to manufacture Alamet feed supplement, the world's leading source of supplemental liquid methionine activity for poultry, swine, and ruminants. This facility, built and operated by Arkema Incorporated, will enable Novus to fully utilize its production capacity of 285,000 metric tons of Alamet per year, while also providing a new supply of MMP. Novus also opened a new Zibo plant in China to produce MHA feed supplement. Today, this plant produces MHA, Meramet, and MFP products with a total capacity of 18,000 metric tons per year. MFP feed supplement offers the benefits of methionine supplementation in dry form. In addition to optimized butterfat and protein yield, MFP contains cherry flavor to improve dry matter intake in prepartum transition cows. Zorian Moss yeast feed additive is a prebiotic additive containing mannan-oligosaccharides and beta-glucans, derived from a selected strain of Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast cell wall for use in production livestock. Captura premixture is a free-flowing premixture that reduces the effects of moisture and toxins in animal feed. Novus opens new sales offices in Jakarta, Indonesia, and Chennai, India, and a regional headquarters in Bangkok, Thailand. Novus introduces Cybenza feed additive, a family of enzymes that includes a variety of individual and special blends of enzymes. Sybenza products optimize feed formulations, deliver feed cost savings, support a healthy digestive system, and help protect the environment by reducing animal waste, phosphorus, and nitrogen released into the environment. Solus is an anti-caking agent that helps protect the quality and value of feed ingredients to ensure optimal health, feed performance, and conversion rates. Novus introduces a Grotto Plus feed preservative, a proprietary blend of dietary antioxidants, into beef and dairy markets. The new Little Rock, Arkansas MHA manufacturing plant goes online in November. Novus surpasses 300 employees. Zorian SEY yeast feed additive is a special strain of Saccharomyces cerevisiae enriched with selenium in an organic form, selected and propagated for use in complete feeds for poultry, pork, pets, and ruminants. The benefits of Zorian SEY include high bioavailability, resulting in optimized animal health. Through various graduate scholar programs, Novus awards scholarships to support the research and work of students and professors who are and will be industry leaders in agriculture. In addition to funding their studies, Novus also seeks to build relationships with these scholars and offer opportunities for many of the participants to work as interns in Novus research facilities around the world. The program goals are to encourage students in animal agriculture to develop strong research programs and gain an international perspective on agriculture, to build relationships with professors and students who are and will be the future leaders in agriculture, and to establish a technical collaboration network to help Novus develop solutions relevant to their customers in diverse regions of the world. Novus opens 2 new manufacturing plants, one in Shanghai, China, and the other in Indaiatuba, Sao Paulo, Brazil. Novus also opens a new major sales office in the Philippines. Novus hosts global customers and corporate leaders such as Walmart and the World Bank to discuss their sustainability initiatives and how they are shaping agriculture and the food industries. Novus introduces Acetomatrix, a new family of gut environment modifiers for pork in the Gemline portfolio. Novus offers another line of chelated trace minerals. Glytrex provides the benefits of chelated trace mineral nutrition, including gut stability and increased absorption. Glytrex is available in customized blends. Novus introduces the Mera line of solutions for aquaculture, ranging from Mera Met, a source of methionine that makes feed more nutritious and efficient for aquaculture producers, to Mera Bac W, a blend of enzymes and liquid probiotics developed to promote and balance the natural ecosystem of ponds for better water quality and the better health and performance of aquatic animals while reducing toxins and water pollution. Arenas is a new Novus subsidiary producer of performance products sold directly to consumers in the equine and companion animal markets. Available as a granulated or liquid preservative premix, ProStabil contains propionic acid and is used to preserve and stabilize compound feed and feed materials. Surface is a liquid preservative mixture that offers both economic and environmental benefits to feed mills by increasing pellet output, improving conditioning, enhancing durability and overall quality of feed. Novus is certified as a Responsible Care Management System company. Responsible Care was launched in 1988 as the American Chemistry Council's comprehensive environmental, health, safety, and security performance improvement initiative. It incorporates progressive principles based on benchmark best practices of leading private sector companies, initiatives developed through the Global Environmental Management Initiative, International Standards Organization and other bodies, and requirements of national regulatory authority. Novus opens new major sales offices in Malaysia and in Moscow, Russia. Novus opens its new global headquarters and international research center in St. Charles, Missouri. Novus surpasses 400 employees. Following the G3 guidelines set out by the Global Reporting Initiative, Novus reported the company's recent sustainability efforts. Novus reaches 550 employees globally. Novus opens new major sales offices in Tokyo, Japan, Seoul, South Korea, Taipei, Taiwan, Istanbul, Turkey, and Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The Novus Global Headquarters building is awarded the Platinum Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design certification, the highest designation offered by the United States Green Building Council. In 2009, Novus formalizes its commitment to sustainability and officially dedicates resources to implement Novus's global corporate social responsibility program and initiatives. Corporate social responsibility begins with a commitment to and by each individual employee. The Novus Art Program provides employees an opportunity to select art created by living artists in their local regions without any restriction on the artist's medium or subject of choice. The pieces are selected by employees and are then displayed at Novus's global headquarters. As part of the Novus Art Program, they host a fundraising campaign and event each year to support the Arts and Education Council. Novus became the first private sector company in the United States to sponsor the African Women in Agricultural Research and Development Program and the first organization to host a U.S. placement of an Award Fellow. Award seeks to advance the careers of African women in agricultural research. Economic opportunity for women in Africa is a matter of social justice. Almost 80% of the agricultural labor force in Africa is female, but only 10 to 15% of the continent's agricultural students are female. In 2009, Novus worked with the American Feed Industry Association to ensure its bag design supported the Safe Feed, Safe Food initiatives. A cross-departmental task force at Novus developed a bag made of recyclable, low-density polyethylene that is tough, flexible, and can be printed on without the use of solvents or heavy metals. This is now a multi-year process in which Novus will design new bags for our family of over 100 products. In November 2009, Novus International launched its new human nutrition division, Stratum Nutrition. Stratum Nutrition offers a portfolio of branded value-added ingredients for human health applications. Stratum focuses on growing a portfolio of specialty and functional ingredients that target business-to-business manufacturers of food, beverages, and dietary supplements. February 2010, Novus acquired the Animal Nutrition Division of Albion Laboratories of Clearfield, Utah. Their MAC chelated trace mineral product line, aligned with Novus's Mintrex and Glytrex mineral products, expand Novus's mineral technology across the globe. In May 2010, Novus acquires our former partner IQF Group, including Carotenoid Technologies and Investigaciones Químicas y Farmacéuticas, based in Tarragona, Spain, and IQF Enemex, based in Cordoba, Mexico. This extends the Novus product portfolio in feed and food carotenoid pigments, essential oils, anti-caking agents, and mold inhibitors. With this acquisition, Novus adds manufacturing plants and major sales offices in Cordoba, Mexico, and Tarragona, Spain. January 15, 2010, Novus opens a new blending manufacturing plant in Singapore. The plant also serves as a distribution hub for our Asia-Pacific clients in the aquaculture, poultry, ruminant, and pork industries. Novus opens its first office in Africa in Kenya. Green Acres Research Farm in Montgomery City, Missouri, is located 1 hour west of the Novus Global Headquarters. Novus purchased and renovated the 15-acre farm to serve as a multifunctional facility that will allow for research on swine, poultry, ruminants, and equine. The goal is to do real-world research by trying to mimic things that are done in the industry, so Novus is comparing apples to apples, making sure that what's relevant here is relevant in the industry. The original 1920s farmhouse was renovated and now qualifies for leadership in energy and environmental design consideration. A variety of other sustainable measures were also taken around the farm, which include the preservation of existing trees and the use of drought-resistant and indigenous grasses. The site includes no hardscape to ensure that all rainwater can be retained and returned to the site. The Sustainable Sites Initiative announced the selection of the Novus International Global Headquarters campus as one of the first landscapes to participate in a new program testing the nation's first rating system for green landscape design, construction, and maintenance. Novus is one of only 150 other sustainable landscape pilot projects from 34 states, Canada, Iceland, and Spain. Novus reaches 800 employees globally. These are just the first of thousands of small steps Novus will continue to take toward their vision of helping to feed the world affordable, wholesome food and achieve a higher quality of life. And Novus's mission to make a clear difference in sustainably meeting the growing global need for nutrition and health. Novus's vision and mission are only as good as its people, but it is the people who have proven to be worthy champions of this shared cause and who at every step and every turn will continue to define Novus as a company of innovation with integrity.